Okay, so I haven't done any videos for a little while. I thought I'd just do a quick shop update and show you what I've been up to and tell you what's coming up as well. So first job on the list really was to get the engine out of Missile, which I've now managed to do. A couple of issues that I had with doing that really was with getting a lifting beam that was high enough. So because I need to clear the top line of the deck with the engine obviously, and all of the engine bearers and everything, by the time you've got slings on there and some lifting blocks as well, it's quite a high level that you need to lift from. So first thing was to get this lifting beam made. So this is a kind of mobile one that I'll be able to take on site if needs be for lifting anything. So it's got adjustable legs and then like an RSJ at the top so that we can use these blocks which will move around on there. The problem with that is that wasn't quite high enough to clear the deck on Missile. So following on from that, I went on to putting a fixed beam in the workshop. So this one you can see stands off of a leg on the mezzanine floor and then goes over to a full length leg that goes right down the other side. Again, got two blocks on there which move around, so it gives a nice bit of flexibility for moving things about. And actually with the two beams combined, it means that I can lift boats off and on trailers and things like that in here, and I can turn them over, which is quite a handy thing to be able to do. So with the higher beam, I managed to get the engine out. So the order of today is going to be stripping that down and finding out exactly what's going on with the oil pressure problems that I've been having. So we'll try and get that sorted in time for when the weather picks up next year and we get the boat back on the water. So that'll be nice. Whilst I'm stripping that down, I'm going to be doing the final video in the Rocket Mark II kit series. So I'm going to do the final setup stage basically, so aligning all the frames on the strong back, show you how all that goes together, and that'll be it for that kit then. That's as far as I'm going to go because I'm not building a complete boat there. I'm just going to show how the kit works basically, and then after that I'm going to be on to a restoration project. So I don't know if any of you guys follow me on Facebook or Instagram. You might have seen a bit of the work I was doing on the Stapley in between stuff on Missile last year. So that's going to be coming back into the shop and we'll be getting on with that. So I'm going to document that whole process as well and show you everything that I'm doing on the restoration and do a video series on that. So that should be quite interesting and nice to get onto something new. So that's what I've been up to, and that's what's coming up next. So stay tuned and hopefully there'll be some more videos coming out soon. Cheers guys.